Beginner's Guide to List Building. What is list building and why is it important? List building involves acquiring email addresses from people interested in what you have to offer. An email list can be a valuable asset for your business as it allows you to communicate with your customers and followers regularly. Let's look at the importance of building an email list. Email lists help you build relationships and trust with customers. An email list will help you build trust by sharing valuable information and free resources with your subscribers. An email list is a direct communication channel with your customers. Other social media channels use algorithms to determine who will see your message. Email marketing is more effective than other communication channels such as social media and paid advertising. Paid advertising can be very costly, and it isn't easy to track the results. How to get started with list building. Now that you know the importance of list building, it's time to learn how to get started. Understand your audience and what they want. Before starting a list building campaign, you need to understand your target audience and what they want. This will enable you to create valuable and compelling content for them to give you their email address. Create a lead magnet. A lead magnet is a free resource that you give away to your prospects in exchange for their email address. It's usually a PDF, guide, or video that is valuable enough for your audience to resist. Get an email service provider. Once you have a lead magnet, the next step is to get an email service provider. An email service provider is a dedicated service that you use to build and manage your email marketing efforts. Create an opt-in form or landing page to capture email addresses. A form is a small web page that asks for your visitor's name and email address in exchange for some value, such as a lead magnet or free content. To sum it up, list building is essential for any business. Building a list will help you start email marketing for your business, improve conversion rates, and boost your ROI. With all of the importances outlined in this guide, you'll be able to start list building for your business. That just about wraps things up. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.